Alright, y'all, what up? So, I'm about to upload this content from our first meet and greet as a club, Street Kings. And, we got together and barbecued and hung out for a while. And then at the end of the night, we took a little run, raced a little bit, played around a little bit, did a few little donuts, whatever. And had a good time. We had about 10, 12 people show up. I think there was about, I don't know, I can't remember. There was about 15 people total, but not, some of them were my neighbors and stuff. But, yeah, we had a great time. Like I said, it was a good turnout for our first one. We got people already jumping on board all over the place, so I think it's going to blow up quick. And, we'll try to take over Dallas, you know what I mean? So, and maybe I'll even grow up from there. And see where this thing goes. But so I'm gonna put this little footage together for y'all, put it in there. I didn't take all the footage. Some of it was taken by my VP's girl. She was in the passenger seat and she was trying to get some footage while we were out there acting stupid, so I'm gonna throw that in there as well. I think that's it, but hope y'all enjoy. Please like, comment, subscribe. Appreciate y'all. Alright, y'all, what up? So we're about to have our first little club car meet or meet and greet. People about to be pulling up in a few minutes. I'll get a bunch of footage of everything going down and all the new cars, new clubs, and everybody. Just got this grill going out here. About to get down on the grill. We got pulled pork. Been cooking since yesterday. Got fucking burgers, brats, all that fun stuff. About to get our drink on and hang out and chill with each other and get to know each other as a club. So I'll get back with y'all in just a minute. Like I said, as soon as everybody pulls up, I'm gonna get I'm gonna get out here on the video. We'll make a video of everybody's cars and meet and greet. All right, y'all. Good, they're pretty low.
They replaced my water pump.
Yeah. Oh, you don't have a catch can. You're not a true Hemi owner. No. I know, I gotta get me one too. They say that's one of the first mods you're supposed to do. I ain't done this, you see. I got thousands of dollars in the car, still ain't got a fucking catch can, bro.
Well, I had to wait till they told me what all was in it before I do anything.
Yeah, I feel you. There's a few of our members out here. He ain't a member yet, but he's talking about joining. The Honda Civic on the wheels. Funny thing is, I like those stock wheels. Those are pretty nice, though. For real, for real. I love that gray. Now we got two gray ones. Of course, you got me. They still pulling up on us.
Yeah, dude. I had to back up a little bit. I'm like, damn. Cook an egg on it, man.
He was running hard on the way over here.
I was in track mode. In track mode, it turned off everything.
Those brakes came on, or did you upgrade them? Because those got the slotted rotors.
They came that way.
Did it? Okay. I was thinking about buying the Brimbos on mine.
So I don't know how it originally came.
I know the Brimbos come with the 6 piston, but I don't know if they come with the slotted rotors like that. I could be wrong, but I'm just saying. Yeah, I'm thinking about doing mine because them big ass. Once I put them one on there.
Brakes, though.
Oh yeah.
Like you'll hit your head on the windshield.
Oh yeah. That's what they say about them 6 pistons. They say.
Like Tundra to this, it's like.
Yeah, that's how his is, man. I'm not used to his. You barely tap on the brakes.
Yeah, I get the Pirelli. If y'all ever need tires, I'll have a guy.
Okay.
We'll mark your price down at discount tire. So it's not just a discount; he resets the price. So the $1,400 set I got for $850.
You good, girl? Don't hit the bike. This y'all's car?
Yeah.
I didn't know y'all had a car. I mean, other than what was in the driveway. Where's this motherfucker here? Yeah, I didn't know y'all had this bitch.
It ain't done yet. I gotta redo it.
Oh, what did it do? Catch fire right here?
No, I changed the wheel came off that motherfucker.
Oh, shit.
What, the black stuff?
Yeah, I gotta
Yeah.
redo it.
Oh, that's paint.
I gotta redo that side over there.
What happened to the side?
Over here, come over here.
Change the rim.
Oh, you changed the rim?
I changed.
Now
the
you'll
rim
see the
on
black. You'll see what's up with it.
The paint. The paint.
But that bitch clean though. That's what is that about 72?
78.
I was close there.
Yeah, I was born there. I like that bitch. That's why I like when I see
I told him, I was like, let's just go get it because I don't want to
Mama, did you
have
bring my
him take
shoes?
one kid, come back, the other.
Did you bring my shoes?
I could not find them. I don't know where they are.
I
be
told
doing though,
you.
man.
I fucking go.
see you.
Mama, can Marcus
Yeah,
have
y'all
me
met at my
back,
one
or
barbecue
can
we
you-
had.
I ain't do that. I gotta do the inside. I gotta do a whole bunch of
Yeah, I'm gonna do my inside too, bro. I was wrong. I said 72. It's a 78.
Dad, nobody that
He's talking about about to have the whole interior redone. He said he had a rim. Look at this shit. This is the only thing that sucks. He had a rim come up on him on the highway. Look.
That's why he didn't want me to go get it. He's like,
So he has to fix that, but still though, it's a clean motherfucker though.
Man, that's a battle scar.
Yep.
we're going to do matte color. We're going to take off the candy.
Oh really? You gonna take the candy off?
Yeah, they want $2,500 just for that side.
Woo!
It costs $5 to get the whole.
Yeah, his shit. I had a custom motorcycle with candy done. It cost $5 grand just to have that bitch painted. Shit. Hell yeah.
nobody that I met at that one car.
Chilling. That's the name of this session right here.
I bet that's him.
Is that the big boy?
That's Daryl. Yep, that's him. He's trying to pull up all late. That's him.
Hey, bro. You're late.
Gather road, son.
Too late, bro.
Sorry, you're excluded. Car meet's over, bud. You gotta go. Hey, I didn't even know they made this in a 4-cylinder. Ah, shit.
That's what happens when you join late, bro.
Right. You know, you come late and everything. Hey, Bugman would say, you know what? He demoted you. He said he was taking your spot. He said we could fight over it. All right, go ahead and park, bro. We got a neighbor. Y'all see, we getting lit out here. Join the club, bro. Everybody smile. You're all on the channel.
Yeah.
Put that in. Hi, baby.
We out here showing out. Acting fools, bro. Acting fools. See, we getting it. We getting it in.
BP, you already know what it is.
BP. Hey, old boy rode with you in the truck? Yeah. Oh, okay, I just didn't care. I just asked him. Damn, I realized we got like 3, 4, 5 gray cars in this. What is it? Who are we missing? Is that everybody? Why don't I feel like we're missing somebody?
Oh, one guy kept going.
Which one? No, I'm telling you. Oh, the BMW. Oh, no, he's right there. Is it?
There was
Okay.
just a Charger beside us that was turning left. and
Yeah,
I
that
think-
gray one. Yeah,
I think
yeah,
we
yeah.
intimidated them.
Yeah, right. I pulled up and got on it a few times just trying to see if they wanted to join. Shit.
7-Eleven was probably like, oh shit.
Right. Hey, they're happy to have the business, homie. Shit. Right. Say, y'all got to check out the channel. Y'all gonna be on it tomorrow. Street Kings is taking over, y'all. I said, this ain't even half of it yet. This is the first meet. Trying to get everybody to pull up past me and shit.
yeah. I know. Hey, I was on it, but then that truck, I was like, fuck, I had to let out. Yeah, it sounded good too. We're right here, my nigga.
All right, y'all, we about to call it a night. We out here in the streets right now. We came out here, did a little street racing. Met some new guys, had a good time. I think I got some footage. I think my VP got some footage of that shit. It's been a good, man, I'll tell you, it's been a good night. We, get to do a meet and greet, meet everybody. Everybody get together and play a little bit, have a good time. I appreciate everybody that showed out. Like I said, the new people that we met, that's all good. They pull out here. But, this is going to be the end of it for me. It's 10:30 at night. I got to get home. We got to go to work tomorrow and shit. But, like I said, I appreciate it. Show the love. Thanks. Hit the like, subscribe, comment button. Appreciate everybody. And we'll see y'all on the next one.